So you'll go here. Once your picture is there, you can insert a text box, and then you will be able to explain and describe what your picture is and where you found it. Mine is simply a bunch of bananas that were just sitting on my kitchen counter. All right, and that would be my explanation. Okay, and you can, insert that however you like. All right, what you'll do next after you have this is on the next slide, you are going to put your table and your characteristics. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to the document that is shared that has your rubric. You'll highlight this table, then you will copy the table, go to your presentation, and then here you will simply paste it, and then the table should come up. All right, not like that, but it'll come up. All right, you can use one of these design things over here if it pops up, and then here you're going to type in the information from your graph. So you go back to Desmos, and once you've downloaded your images and things like that, remember that Desmos will find your vertex for you. So I'm going to click here in the center. So my vertex is at 7, -1.5, and then I'm just simply going to type all of that information into my table. So that means that my axis of symmetry is going to be, and this table is weird. You can adjust the table so that it works for you, however you need to do it, because sometimes when you copy and paste it, it comes in a little bit weird, but you'll be able to fix it. You guys should be pretty savvy with PowerPoint. All right, we're gonna put our domain and our range, so we know that our domain is going to be all real numbers. And then I'm going to look at my range. And so I look at my y value, so I know that y, I go back to my parabola, or I can go back to Desmos, and the graph is above my y value, which is -1.5. So I'm going to say that y is greater than or equal to -1.5. This. And then it's asking us, is our graph a maximum or a minimum? So if I look at this, my parabola is opening up. So that means that my vertex is a maximum. And then the equation, I'm going to get the equation from Desmos. It might be easier if you are in Desmos to just screenshot, like I'm about to do, to screenshot the equation. Of course, you can type it, but I think it just might be easier to screenshot. At least it's easier for me. And then I'm just going to insert my screenshot there. And if I can find it. I don't know what happened to my screenshot. But anyway, if we screenshot it, it should be here. Let me try it one more time. Maybe it's going behind the picture. I'm not sure. Nope. Anyway, it should work. I'll gotta figure out later outside of my recording why it's not working. But you'll put your equation here, and then that'll be it. And you're gonna do this for each of your 5 graphs. Okay, if you have questions, let me know.